We are pleased to show you the 2015 Sierra 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, remote engine start, rear step bumper, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, transmission temperature gauge, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks, one-touch windows, 4 power windows. Come take a test drive today.